Hi guys! Wow, look what we have today! We will unpack this cool toy from Mr. Beast. Why are we unpacking it? Because we are going to use this toy in our upcoming and future videos. We will learn letters and colors together. So let's unpack the new toy and see what we have got here. It has a lot of packaging, so it is. By the way, do you know what kind of color is this? We still haven't seen this color. It looks like gray, but it's not gray. It's silver. Yes, the color is very beautiful. It looks like a suitcase. Let's take the scissors and open one part. Oh, it's already opened. Cool. So let's take out this cool toy. Wow, it's a tiger. It's a collection figure from Mr. Beast. And we have a cool tiger toy here. Wow, this super tiger will help us learn more letters together. We'll have so much fun together. Let's open and see how it looks like. By the way, do you know what is the color of the box? Yes, the upper side is blue and on the sides it looks like black. So let's open. We're trying to get it out. Just a sec. Oh, it's tough. Wow, the tiger looks really cool. It has so many colors. Just take a look. It has blue, white, black, green heart, and even purple. Let's cut these ties which are holding the tiger. Yes. I wonder if there are some more. Because it's too hard to get him out of it. Some more here. Oh, it's really hard to get him out of here. Yes, we did it, guys. Uh-oh, the tail fell off. I guess it's not a problem. It just, yes, we put it right onto the place. Wow, the tiger looks really cool. It has arms, moving arms. It has a tail with a pink ending. It has even wings. Tiger with the wings. It's super cool. Legs are moving. Really cool. Look at his teeth. His teeth seem to be very sharp, and the head is moving also. Very cool toy. I'm sure you will see him in our next videos with some letters. He will help us learn. The wings are moving. The legs are moving too. The hands. One looks like a claw. Yes, like a crab claw. The other is just like the arm of the beast. Tiger Beast. Yes, because he's from Mr. Beast. Yes. Cool. Very cool tiger. It looks like we are going to have a new friend in our collection. A blue tiger from Mr. Beast collection. Yes, super great toy. It has really cool teeth. The head is moving and the big teeth. Yes, and this is our new toy. And And let's put some letters here. We have letter M. This is letter R, you're right. This is a dot. Yes, circle, blue dot. Letter B, letter E. Yes, you're right. Yes, letter A, S, and letter T. And we have Mr. Beast. Yes, you're right. Well done, guys. Your reading has become really cool. See you soon in our next videos.